This is John with another My Review, this time on the Ryobi Expand-It trimmer and jet blower. More info after the intro. This is my review of the Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt Expand-It system, string trimmer, and jet blower. These two pieces of equipment are tested in my yard. My thoughts and conclusions are at the end. I am already on the Ryobi 18-volt platform with my woodworking shop tools. I have the drill and driver set, the brad nailer, the workshop blower, and the circular saw. So I have a couple chargers and batteries. I bought the string trimmer at Home Depot for about $170, and I later bought the jet blower for about $75. There are no promotional considerations or free merchandise involved with this review. It's just my opinion. The string trimmer uses 0.8-inch line and has the easiest refill method I've used. It has two speeds, low and high, and has two cutting lengths of 13 and 15 inches. I find that the low and 13-inch works well for me. I have a corner lot and fence lines to trim and sidewalks to blow off. I get about 10 to 15 minutes of run time on the 3 amp-hour battery and about 15 minutes on the 4 amp-hour battery. Both of these units weigh about 9 to 10 pounds, a little bit heavy, but you can easily adjust the handle to get a good balance while working with the tools. This is the change out on the power head to the jet blower. It takes just releasing the knob and pushing a detemp button. Pretty simple and fast. The jet blower has a rated speed of 140 miles an hour and 475 cubic feet airflow. The info card says it will fit either brands like Toro and Weed Eater. Comes with a 3-year warranty, and I do recommend wearing ear protection while using the blower. I like the Expand-It system tools that I've tried. Both the trimmer and blower work very well. I wish the batteries lasted a bit longer, as it takes me 2 to 3 batteries to do the entire yard. I would buy these units again and plan to expand into other components when needed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave any comments and subscribe if you want to see more reviews. You never know what we might be reviewing next.